Are you ready to invite wealth, prosperity, and abundance into your life? In today's video, we'll reveal 5 powerful plants that can transform the energy in your home, drawing in positivity and financial success, all based on ancient Buddhist wisdom. Let's dive in and discover how you can start planting your way to a more prosperous life today. 1. Money tree, Pachira aquatica. According to Feng Shui, which has some overlap with Buddhist practices in certain cultures, the money tree is thought to bring good fortune and positive energy. Its braided trunk and lush green leaves are symbols of prosperity and financial growth. 2. Jade Plant, Crassula ovata. Known as the friendship plant or lucky plant, the jade plant has round, coin-shaped leaves, which are thought to bring good financial luck and wealth. It's often placed at the entrance of homes or businesses. 3. Lucky bamboo, Dracena sanderiana. This plant is commonly associated with good luck and fortune in feng shui practices, which are often interwoven with Buddhist traditions in places like China. The number of stalks can signify different blessings, such as health, happiness, or wealth. 4. Holy Basil, Tulsi. Tulsi is sacred in many Asian spiritual traditions, including Buddhism. It is believed to purify spaces and invite positive energy. Though more often connected with spiritual health, it is also thought to bring balance and prosperity. 5. Lotus, Nelumbo nucifera. A sacred symbol in Buddhism, the lotus flower represents purity, spiritual growth, and enlightenment. In some teachings, it is also associated with abundance, as it grows and flourishes even in muddy waters, symbolizing overcoming obstacles to reach prosperity. These plants carry spiritual significance and symbolic meanings in various traditions. While they can create a serene and positive atmosphere in your home, the true path to prosperity in Buddhist teachings often lies in mindfulness, generosity, and right living.